Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to our class. Today in our math class we are in chapter 4 and the name of chapter is test of divisibility. In our previous class we have done exercise 1 where different color code is given there and we have to identify whether the given number are divisible by given condition or not, and also we have color from the given color code, isn't it? So today let's do exercise 2. In exercise 2 you can see the question like, what digit will you add at the end to make these numbers divisible by 2? In A number by 2, in B number by 3, in C number by 4. And you can see in A number 4 different numbers, different questions are given there. So we have to add digit to make divisible by 2 in A number, by 3 in B number, and by 4 in C number. Now let's do, I'll teach you how to solve this type of question today, okay? Okay, let me write the question first, okay? Exercise 2. A number, okay? Now first of all let me write the question. What digit will you add at the end and to make these numbers divisible A number by 2. And in one number you can see the number 2, 3, 4, 1. And in 2 number 4, 5, 3, 2. 3 number 7, 8, 6, 3. 4 number 7, 8, 6, 9. So how to find out the correct digit to make divisible by 2? For this you have to know the divisibility rule for 2. What is the divisibility rule for 2? Okay, a number is divisible by 2 if it is even number. Isn't it? And even number are those number which has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at the end, isn't it? That means we can add 0 also here, 2 also, any number you can add these digit at last to make divisible by 2, to make even number, isn't it? To make even number, let's add any you can add 8, 6, 4, that is your choice, okay? If you add 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then that will be even number, so we can add in this way. Understood everyone? Very easy. So let's do question number 2, question number B now. In B number you can see by 3, okay, by 3. one number 3 1 2 4, two number 4 5 3 1, three number 4 4 0 1, four number 7 0 9 0. So how can we identify which digit will be correct here? Okay, so for this you have to remember the divisibility rule for 3. What is the divisibility rule for 3? A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of digit is divisible by 3. That is the rule. Let me write. A number is divisible by 3 if sum of the digits of this number, digits of that number, okay, of that number is divisible by 3. See, this is the divisibility rule for 3, isn't it? You all know. So let us try for one number. Okay, in one number we have 3 1 2 4, 3 1 2 4. What? So what we have to do, first of all, let us add all digits. Okay, 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4. Let us find out the sum. What is the sum? Okay, 3 plus 1 4, 5 6. Yes, this is 10. Okay, 10 means 1 plus 0 equal to 1. This 1 is not divisible by 3, isn't it? So what we have to do? What shall we add to make divisible by 3? What shall we add to make divisible by 3? But before it was sum 10, isn't it? So if you add 1, here the sum will be 11. And also 1 plus 1, 2. 2 is not divisible by 3. So our number 1 is also not correct number. Okay, before the sum was 10, that is why. So if you add 2, then what will be? If you add 2, then here the sum will be 12. Yes, 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. 3 is divisible by 3. Yes, then our option here, you can add 2 also. Okay, if you add 2, then the whole number will be divisible by 3. If you add 2 here, then what if you want to add 3? Then let's see. What if you add 3? Okay, but before it was 10, isn't it? If you add 3, then here the sum will be 13, which means 1 plus 3 4. It is not divisible, so 3 is not the appropriate number. Okay, so what we have to do, 2 is our appropriate number. If you want to try by 3, then by 4, then let's see. 4, then the sum is 14, and here the sum will be 5 again. So 5 is not divisible by 3. So what if we add 5 in place of 4? What if? Let's try. 5. If you add 5 here, then what will be the sum? Okay, before it was 10, the sum was 10, so here the sum is 15, isn't it? Here the sum is 15 now, which means 1 plus 5, it is 6. 6 is divisible by 3, so you can add 6 also here, okay? Sorry, you can add 5 also here. If you write 2 also, it will be correct, or in place of 2 if you write 5, then it will also be correct. So our appropriate number will be 2 or 5, okay? You can write 5 also, no matter. So similarly, you try to find out the correct digit for other number. Can you find out? Okay, let me do 2 number then, okay? 2 number. Similarly, in 2 number, the number was 4 5 3 1, and you have to add here, okay? 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1. What is the sum here? Let's find out first. Is 4 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This means 1 plus 3, it is 4. Okay, it is not divisible by 3, that is why let's add 1. If you add 1, then what will be, okay? If you add 1, then here the sum will be 14. But see, 1 plus 4, it is 5, and 5 is not divisible by 3, isn't it? So our digit is not correct here. So if you put 2, then what will be? Let's find out the sum. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Here the sum will be 15, then 1 plus 5, it is 6. So 6 is divisible by 3, so you can write 2 here. Okay, you can write 2 here. What if you write 3? If you write 3, then here the sum will be 16, and 6 plus 1, 7, not again. If you write 4 here, then what will be? If you write 4 here, let's see. If you write 4 here, then okay. 4 here, then find out the sum here. 4 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 again. See, 1 plus 7, it is 8. It is not divisible by 3. So our digit is not correct here, okay? Not appropriate digit. What if we put 5 then? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Here the sum is 18, okay? Here the sum is 18. See, 1 plus 8, it is 9. That means it is divisible by 3. So you can write, in place of 2, you can write 5 also, no matter, okay? So which number you want to keep here? Either 2 or 5. That is your desire, okay? If you write 5 also, it is correct. If you write 2 also, it is correct, okay? Similarly, you try to do other 2 number yourself, okay? You try to find out the correct digit there. So let us go to C number. Okay, let me write the question C here. C divisible by 4, and in 1 number here is given 5, 6, 7, 7, and 2 number 3, 1, 2, 2, 3 number 4, 5, 3, 1, and 4 number 9, 0, 8, 4. So you have to know the divisibility rule for 4. What is the divisibility rule for 4? A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digit if the last two digits are 0, okay, are zeros, EROES, zeros, or the last two digits, okay, two digits is divisible by 4. Divisible by 4 means here we could not write two digit here. If you write 0 0, then that will be wrong, because we have only we have a place to write only one digit here. We can add only one digit, okay. So that is why if we write 2 zeros here, then we are wrong here, isn't it? So what if you add any digit here? Then let's see. In one number we have 5 6 7 7, isn't it? Now we have to add any digit here, but remember the last two digit must be divisible by 4, okay. If you write 0 here, then let's see, divide here. 4, 1 is 4, 3, subtract, if you subtract it will be 3, then bring down 0, it is 30, 4 7s are 28. See, here comes the remainder 2. So it is not divisible by 70, is not divisible by 4, isn't it? So our digit here 0 is not correct digit here, okay. What if you write 1 is also not divisible, 71 is also not divisible by 4. So if you write 4, then let's see what happened. Let's see, if you write 2, then also it's okay. Let's see whether it is divisible by 4. 4, 1 is 4, 3 2, 4 8s are 32. Yes, see, it is divisible by 72 is divisible by 4. That is why this all number is divisible by 4. So you can write 2 here, okay. Let's write 2. Similarly, let's go to 2 number 3122, okay. 3122 in 2 number 3122. See, the last digit, one last digit, 24. If you write 0 also, 20 is divisible by 4. 4 5s are 20, isn't it? If you write 4, 24, then 4 6 are 24. See, that means if you write 0 or 4, it's all right. That is your choice. Now let's write any 0 or 4, that will be the answer, okay. If you write 0 also, it's okay. If you write 4 also, it will be okay, okay. That is your choice. Now I think all of you understood our today's content, isn't it? So only this much for today. Bye bye all of you.